In this video, I'm gonna show you how to deploy Vue 3 application to Netlify. First of all, you should create a new application. I've already created one. And so when we run vn run serve, so it's available on localhost. And that is just a simple Vue 3 application that I've created. Then you have to create a Netlify account. Well, I've already created one. So Netlify offers free plan, so you can deploy sites completely free, of course with limitations. So there are two ways to deploy application to Netlify. One possible way is to drag and drop the dist folder, and the another way is to using Git, so the deploy process gonna be automatic. I'm gonna use the second way. So you have to create a repository in GitHub or GitLab or Bitbucket based on your preferences. So once it's done, we go to Netlify and click on Add New Site, import an existing project, and there you have to choose GitHub, GitLab or Bitbucket based on your repository's location. So I'm gonna choose GitHub. Once it's authorized, you have to pick the repository. Apparently my repository is not listed on there, so I'm gonna click on this. Authorize it up. So I configured like the repository says it's only gonna show the repository that I selected. So I'm gonna select that and click on save. Click on that, and we have to do some site settings. The owner, the branch deploy, I'm gonna leave this on master, the base directory, I'm gonna leave this empty. Command, we can leave this default dist folder, and we click on deploy site. And now that everything is configured, we have to wait using Netlify to deploying our site. It might take a few minutes. Once it's say deployed, then you can set up your custom domain. I can leave as it is, which is generated by Netlify. So the deploy is completed, so we can read this URL. And now your application is successfully deployed to Netlify.